Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. The future you define. Self-love is accepting the whole of who you are and the past that brought you to this very moment. Self-love is caring for yourself enough to be the best version of you for the present and the future that you define. Thank you so much, Danny G. It was so inspiring. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think of 3 things you're grateful for right now. I am grateful for my wife. I'm grateful for my family, and I'm grateful for my friends. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in. Let it out. With love. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.